Chastity will be playing with her new kitty.
Cat versus duck.
Duck. Ready?
Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow.
Now let her fight on her own.
Yeah.
Nom, 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 nom.
I love eating duck's head. Nom, nom, nom.
Hit her.
Pow,
Pow.
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 Smell my butt.
Pow.
I smell you. Pow. How do you like that? I smell you. And haha. And I got secret backup. Pow. Pow. Secret backup. That was my secret backup.
Pow.
Pow. What you doing? Papang.
We're making a video. Now that has been duck versus
Versus?
cat. Post in the comments, who do you think wins? Chastity, who do you think won?
I think our adorable cat will win because the duck. Just look at it. Look at it. Stupid. But look at
I
this.
think
Look at this.
her name is
Isn't this
Shelly.
adorable?
Her name is Shelly.
Isn't that adorable?
I think Shelly the kitten won. Now post in the comments what y'all think. Bye.